What's good, everyone? So in today's video, I'll be going over the trade, let's actually make this full screen here. The trade that made me around 5,200, I think. I can't remember exactly how much, but in like 7 minutes or whatever, day trading NAS. This was a beautiful ass trade. It was a beautiful A+ setup. So without further ado, let's actually get into it here. So I'm in Croatia. Can you guys see this? It's a beautiful ass villa, but the weather's just kind of off and it starts to rain here in like 5 minutes, so I need to be real fast here. But let's make this a bit smaller and let's go to trading view here. Now, this was a beautiful ass trade, right? So the whole analysis, so my bad for being a bit slow. I'm on Mac right now. I'm not used to being on Mac, but let's actually delete this. So it was on NAS, right? The overall trend is heavily bearish. I mean, look at this right here. Let's actually delete all these arrows, right? The overall trend is heavily bearish, right? Then at, London Open, an hour after London Open, we get this huge move to the upside and, filling this, kind of like filling this gap by like 50% or whatever, right? And we basically fill this gap. We also break previous highs up here, like all these buy-side liquidity. And I was like, okay, well, if we do this pre-session, we'll most likely continue down. But now, at market open, we still need some kind of liquidity grab to the upside before we can continue down, right? In order for price to go down, we need to go up first, right? Go up, grab liquidity, grab stop losses, grab orders, and then continue down. So we want to take advantage of that move post-liquidity grab, right? So pre-market open, let's actually go back and replay bar here. I think it's going to be easier for me to explain. Let's go back to pre-market open. Yep, the market open, right? Let's actually, first of all, draw these levels. So let's go to the 30-minute, right? I had my levels up here, something like this. Had a level up here, had a level down here, and had a level around here, right? And at pre-market open, I was anticipating that, as I said, if we continue up first, liquidate some kind of internal liquidity, then we can continue down post liquidity, right? So we need buy side to get liquidated. So I marked out this current 30-minute high. What time is this right now? Yeah, pre-market open. This is actually at market open right here, 9:30 a.m. Eastern. Next candle is 9:30 a.m. Eastern. I anticipating that we would continue up to these highs right here, right? Let's go to the 5-minute. I think there's equal highs. Yeah, exactly equal highs up there. And then if we did that, 30 minutes would push up, right? And then start flipping bearish. And we can probably continue down to sell side liquidity, down here or down here, right? Now, this trade was basically, I just waited for market open. I mean, it was pretty simple. Let's just play this fast forward a bit. Let's actually, where's the replay bar? So next 5 minute pushed straight up, right? Pushed up, grabbed this buy side liquidity. And I was like, okay, well, this is looking really good because I'm anticipating that the 30 at this time will break its own low and continue down. Right now, I just need entry criteria. The setup is there. The overall trend is bearish. We started moving sideways here pre-market open, grabbing, or generating buy-side liquidity and their sell-side liquidity resting down here, right? And now we simply just need some entry criteria. So we need some 5-minute bearish closures or a 30-minute flip bearish, right? Now, next 5 minute, let's see here. Pushed up, bullish. I was like, okay, well, maybe this is just a kind of a double liquidity grab. So first liquidity grab up here, liquidating these highs, but all the people that entered here, right, anticipating that this was the liquidity grab, they got screwed with another liquidity grab, right? I was like, okay, well, maybe it could turn out bullish here, but I'm still anticipating sells because the overall trend is technically still bearish. I just need some kind of bearish closures here, right? Next 5 minute, fast forward, this was 9:45 now, right? Close bearish, and I was like, okay, well, this is looking good. I just need another 5 minutes to close below these levels, and then I can continue, take advantage of that move post liquidity grab. Anticipate that the 30 and 1 hour will, end up flipping bearish, which if you look, we obviously did, right? That was the analysis. Now, okay, wow, that's annoying. That's the annoying part about trading, replay bar. We can't really pause in time, but it's fine. It's fine. Next 5 minute closed, heavily bearish. And I was like, okay, well, this is my entry criteria right here. Took my sells right there. Stop loss, hard stops up here, soft stops around on this 5 minute high. We can also even go on the 1 minute. And then look at this. Beautiful as 1 minute as well. We grab liquidity on the higher time frames up here, 30-minute, 15-minute, and 5-minute time frame, right? And inside this push right here, there's another liquidity grab on the 1 minute. So perfect. Entry was there. Okay, wait, now we just fast forward a bit. Okay, perfect. Entry was there on the 5 closure, anticipating that this 30 will break its own low down here and continue down, right? Which is obviously what happened. Now, entry was taking pretty simple trade. I mean, we just pushed down. Once we broke these lows, trailed my stop to this high or like a high on the 2 minute or 1 minute, and then basically rode the wave down to these equal lows down here, which tapped perfectly and we started reversing. I mean, it doesn't get any more simple than that. I'll post the exact entry and exit and profit on the screen right now. And, obviously it's a live account. You can go check my other videos. I don't have, I don't do fucking demo shit, okay? I'm not a demo guru or whatever. This is actually live account. I have proof of everything. Don't worry if you're new here. I know it can get kind of confusing with all these trading scammers out there, but you know. But anyways, that's basically the trade. I mean, I'm just enjoying life here in Croatia, and I'm gonna be uploading some banger YouTube videos for y'all. So I hope you guys enjoy that. And yeah, I mean, I'm just enjoying life. Made 5K on a, what's it? It's Wednesday today, right? Yeah, it's Wednesday. Okay, yeah. I mean, that's basically the trade. I hope you all enjoyed, found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, take care.